It's January 10th, 2025, and a quick weather report from Chelem in the Yucatan, Mexico. It's supposed to be 85 degrees today. The low this morning was about 63 when I got up, so it feels pretty chilly to us here. Tomorrow, we're only looking at 75 as a high, but the low overnight's only going to be about 70, so it sounds like it's going to be pretty nice. Hopefully, it's going to be a good day for fishing. I'll let y'all know in a little bit. Bye. Well, Nigel and I have made it to our fishing spot. We'll see if we can catch something. Wish us luck. Okay, well, I'm getting ready to get my fishing gear together. Talk a little bit about Angie got to go have a steak dinner today, courtesy of Ron and Michelle Irving. She doesn't get to have steak too often, so I'm glad she was able to go do that. And in the meantime, Michelle sent me a dinner plate home. Dummy me forgot to take a picture of before. So all I have is the after. We just have to imagine what it looked like. There was barbecue chicken with a nice sweet tangy sauce glazed over the top of it. There was corn on the cob, which we don't get very often here. That was good. And there was a twice baked potato, huge, split in half, coating of cheddar cheese over the top of it, and green onion chopped up sprinkled over. It was delicious. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Ron. And thank you for having Angie over for that steak dinner. I'm sure she really enjoyed it. Oh, yeah. Paco enjoyed his scraps too. The weather's supposed to be pretty good for fishing tomorrow. I sure hope so. I sip tequila, kind of like sipping whiskey. I prefer to do it that way. It's a lot smoother. I will take a shot down in a social environment. Somebody buys around or I buy around, I'll do it then, but otherwise, I kind of prefer to sip it. Angie doesn't often get to have steak or anything like that, so I think it's real special that Ron and Michelle invited her over to have some. She doesn't ever buy any steak to have around here because she feels guilty about having it when I can't. And I've always insisted to her that she didn't have to worry about that, but she does, and I love her for that, and I appreciate it. Ah, can you hear the dogs?